Hey, Lewis Francis from Uniquely here. Just want to quickly cover an overall topic about SEO. What it is, why does it matter, and the main components of what you need to do to optimize and do SEO. What is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it's a word that's been thrown a lot around in the sort of website industry right now. So it's basically the process of making your website more visible to the likes of Google, so that when people are searching for your products and services, they find you at the top of the list instead of your other competitors. Why does SEO matter? Well, if you're investing your time and energy into SEO, then you've got to know what the outcome is, right? Well, think about it this way. If more and more people see your site and your conversion rate is good on the website, then you can get more sales and more leads online. But it's not just about quantity. Anyone in PR can tell you that quality is over quantity. So running an SEO campaign needs to be about keyword research, understanding the user intent, and making sure that people are searching for your products and services are finding the right ones, and they're finding ones that are relevant to what they're searching for. So how does SEO work? Well, Google uses more than 200 algorithms to rank a search result, and it's very difficult to actually know what these are. At its core, SEO is based on relevancy and accuracy, and it's important that you optimize your pages for specific keywords which are relevant to the user's intent. Again, it comes back to that quality versus quantity point, making sure that your content and your information is accessible as possible and relevant as possible to your target audience is only going to help you achieve your SEO goals. What can you do to improve your website's SEO? Well, there's two parts. Very broadly, there are two parts to SEO. One is on-site SEO and the other is off-site SEO. On-site SEO covers what you put in the content on the page, all the title tagging, all the different technical parts of SEO, and also everything around ranking for specific keywords. But off-site SEO becomes a bit more technical. You're talking about getting a brand message out there so that more and more people link to your site, so that you become more popular in the industry and more well known for the great content you produce and how you help your users and your customers find what they need. So to round off, SEO is one of those things that everyone knows a little bit about. But in essence, it's a series of simple steps to achieve the outcome, and it's more about project management than the actual SEO itself. If you're interested in learning exactly how to manage a successful SEO campaign and how to actually achieve results with SEO, then make sure you follow Uniquely. We're bringing out lots of videos about this. And if you know anyone in the industry, in your network, who may be interested, tag them in the comments below. I'm sure they'll be really interested. Well, thanks for now, and we'll see you again next week. See you!